old, and I'm so glad you are here today. I've always loved to make stuff, so here on my channel I show you how to make awesome things. Today we're going to make sourdough pancakes. This recipe has been in my family for 3 generations, so I guess it could be called a family secret. Of course, now that I'm sharing it with you, it's not really a secret anymore, but I think it's too good not to share. Oh, by the way, I want to introduce you to my unicorn. Isn't she cute? Lots of people have been trying sourdough right now. And if you saw my last video, I showed you how to make sourdough bread. These pancakes are another yummy way to use up all that sourdough starter. If you want to see my sourdough bread video, I put a link in the description below. Let's get started! For this recipe, you need 2 big bowls. One for the wet ingredients and one for the dry ingredients. Let's start with the dry ingredients. First, add 2.5 cups of flour. Now let's add 1/2 cup of sugar. Now sift 1 tablespoon baking powder. Now 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon salt. Let's mix it up with a whisk. Now let's do our wet ingredients. First, add 1 cup of sourdough starter. It doesn't have to be fed. Now add 2 beaten eggs. Now let's add 2.5 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Now mix it all up with a whisk. Now let's put the wet ingredients into the dry. Now let's mix it up with a whisk. Our griddle is preheated, so it's time to cook. I like using this big cookie scoop, but you can use a spoon or just pour it on, whatever you want. When bubbles pop up, that means it's time to flip. Now let's flip it. Now they're done. If you want them to be blueberry or chocolate chip, just plop some on while they're cooking. And add a little batter on top. There you have it, delicious sourdough pancakes. Let's try them. My family's secret is out. Make sure you like and subscribe so my channel can grow. Thanks for watching. Bye! You want to see my sourdough? Sourdough! Sourdough! My name is Naomi. I'm 8 years old.
8 years young?